In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim warranty on Amazon. If a product stops working or doesn't match what was promised, a warranty claim can help you get a repair, replacement, or support from the seller or manufacturer. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct Amazon account, and it helps to have the product name and approximate order date in mind. Knowing whether the item was sold by Amazon or a third-party seller can also set expectations for what options you'll see. First, go to Amazon.com using a desktop browser for the clearest layout. You'll land on the homepage where you can access your account tools. A stable connection is important since you'll be navigating to your order history and reviewing details that might take a moment to load. Next, click Returns and Orders at the top right of the page. This takes you to your full order history. If you have many orders, use the date range filter to narrow down the list, or scan for the product image and title you recognize. On some interfaces, this section may be labeled Your Orders, but it serves the same purpose. It's where all the items you've purchased are organized with their corresponding support options. Then, select the order you want to claim warranty for. Open the order details to confirm you're looking at the correct item, especially if you purchase similar products. In the order details view, you'll typically see information related to support, such as warranty notes, product support links, or seller contact options. The exact wording can vary by product and seller, but this is the place where warranty-related actions are presented. If the item includes a manufacturer's warranty, you may see references to the brand's coverage period and the recommended path for assistance. A few tips can make this smoother. Have a short, clear description of the issue ready, including when it started and any troubleshooting you've already tried. If applicable, note the serial number from the product or packaging, and keep photos handy to document defects or damage. Check the time window listed on the order details page, since eligibility for certain options may depend on when the item was delivered. If your order shows it was fulfilled by a third-party seller, the available paths may differ from items sold by Amazon, but your order details page will still guide you to the correct support route. Keep all communication with an Amazon system so everything is documented. That's the process. Go to Amazon.com, open Returns and Orders, and select the order tied to your warranty claim. Follow the prompts you see there, and you'll be on your way to getting the help you need.